made our way into the Arthur River here, folks. Got a good view of Bowen Falls down our left-hand side there that we seen on the way out of the harbour. Now Bowen Falls was named after Lady Diamantina Bowen. She was the wife of the 5th Governor of New Zealand. Now Bowen Falls has a fairly important job here in Milford Town. She provides us with our power for a hydro scheme run off the waterfall. And she also provides the township with the drinking water supply. All the water is drunk on the boat today. It's all come over Bowen Falls in the last 24 hours. Now just behind those trees on our left-hand side there, they've noticed a few airplanes taking off. And there's the Milford Airport. Now that is one of the busiest airports in New Zealand on a busy day. They have anything up to 300 landings and takeoffs in any given day throughout the summer period. That is the helicopter and fixed-wing planes combined. This valley off up the right there, that is the Arthur Valley, that is where the Arthur River continues off up. And a couple of hundred metres up that river there is the ending point for the famous Milford track. It is a 3-day walk or 3-day trek. Starts from the northern end of Lake Tiana, spans up over a couple of ranges there, dropping down into the Arthur Valley. Well worth it. Now, like I said, this range up in front of us is the Sheer Down Range. 1,600 metre peak there. Now, right down the bottom of the Sheer Down Range, back in the corner there, that is where we are going to be staying the night tonight.